Hello my dear friends and welcome back to your channel. Today I want to show you my favorite color of the new MacBook Air M2 lineup, which is midnight. Before that, let's check Apple's website quickly to see other colors and prices. Apple introduced the new MacBook Air lineup having an all-new design and an M2 chipset being available from the 15th of July 2022. What attracted most people like me was the new color and design. Now you have the option to choose your new MacBook Air M2 from midnight, starlight, space gray, and silver colors. The new MacBook Air M2 price starts from $1,199, which is $200 more than the previous MacBook Air. But what makes it difficult to make a safe decision is the low speed of SSDs in the base model and its price. So that if you want to skip the base model and choose the higher SSD storage or RAM, then the price goes near to the new MacBook Pro 14 inches. Let's get back to the beautiful midnight color. Nothing is perfect as well as this color, as after touching its surface, you will have a collection of fingerprints on your laptop. The laptop is thin and light, which weighs only 2.7 pounds. As soon as you open the laptop, you will notice the notch on its non-promotion liquid retina display and with 500 nits brightness. On the left side of the laptop, you will find 3 ports, one MagSafe 3 and 2 Thunderbolt USB 4. On the right side, there is a 3.5mm headphone jack. At the back of the laptop, there are 4 bumpers to improve protection and also prevent the laptop from sliding. To give you an idea about the new boxier design, here you can compare the old edgy-shaped MacBook Air M1 to the new boxy design of the new MacBook Air M2. I hope you liked my video. Your comments and suggestions help me so much, so don't hesitate to write me. You will make me very happy if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.